Need to send a client clicks from specific countries? Need to send a minimum percentage of T1 clicks to someone? Do you have specific landing pages for specific countries? This video is going to show you how to geo-target clicks using a link rotator. My name's Rob Wissenant, and I'm the creator of MyClickBoss Pro. Let's take a close look at how to geo-target clicks to links in a link rotator. Here's how to do it. Let's get logged into MyClickBoss Pro, and let's go to list our click rotators. Now I'm going to click on the links button for the rotator I want to use. And you can do this for an existing link or for while you're adding a new link. I'm going to show you how to do it while you're adding a new link. So let's click on Add New Link. Now we're going to scroll down to the GEO IP targeting section first. First field you see is country codes accepted. Any countries that show up in this list, the link will accept. If they're not in this list, it won't accept it. So basically, if you want to limit to certain countries, you put them here. Let's say if you want to limit to T1 countries, you can click that. And you see it added Australia, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, and United States. Now this link will not accept any clicks except clicks from these countries. If you want to take one out, let's say like Canada is not suitable for this one, you can just exit right out. Let's say you want to add Argentina. You can go down the scroll list, pick Argentina, and now you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 countries that this particular link will accept clicks from. Now there's another way you can do it. If you want to send clicks from any country except specific countries, you can go to the country codes not accepted. Let's say you don't want any clicks going to this one from Algeria, Brazil, and the Bahamas. Now this link in the rotator will accept any country except for these three. You can use a combination of both fields if you want, but usually it's not necessary. Okay, the next section is country custom click settings. Basically what this does is it allows you to select specific countries that you want to send a minimum number of clicks from to this link, or a maximum of number of clicks to this link. Let's say this one they want T1 and they want minimum of 80%. We can enter 80%, and let's say you want to send a maximum of 90%. With these three fields set, this link will receive between 80 and 90% of the country codes that you set in this custom country codes field. Now you got to make sure you got enough traffic to support this, or it's going to take a long time to send it. If you are editing an existing link, make sure you click the update button to save your changes. Hope this video helped you to understand how to geo-target clicks using a link rotator. If you need more information, you can refer to the MyClickBoss Pro User's Manual. I'll also be creating videos explaining how to use geo-targeting for specific cases. Got a suggestion for a video on geo-targeting? Post it in the comments below. If you have any questions or other comments, please feel free to post them below also. If you have not already, click the subscribe button and then ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos posted. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, see you soon.